there's been a storm raging over Bharat Biotech's Covaxin being granted approval despite not providing the Phase 3 efficacy data. We here at India Today have now accessed the details of the meeting of Central Drug Standard Control Organization, the regulator that recommended the approval of the shot. How was it that from asking for more data from Bharat Biotech, the SEC went on to give the green light to Covaxin? Here's a look.
Gearing up for the rollout, one of the world's largest COVID immunization programs set to kickstart. 2 contenders approved for restricted emergency use. AstraZeneca and Oxford University's Covishield, produced by the Serum Institute of India, and the homegrown Covaxin of Bharat Biotech.
दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा टीकाकरण अभियान चलाने के लिए भारत की तैयारियां जोरों पर है.
But some experts have raised concern over the approval of the indigenously made Covaxin. They find the go-ahead premature because Bharat Biotech has yet to produce efficacy data from Covaxin trials.
We're really talking about now is vaccines, and they're biologics, and they're actually going to be rolled out in healthy individuals on unprecedented scale. So there are some differences, and there is a need for adequate data on safety and efficacy before rollout.
India Today accessed the records of meetings the regulator, Central Drug Standard Control Organization, held between December 30th and January 2nd.
The minutes of the meeting held by the subject expert committee under the Central Drug Standard Control Organization clearly shows that the subject panel changed its stance for approvals for Bharat Biotech's Covaxin because of the UK mutant strain that had entered India. In fact, the SEC said that initial data from Covaxin generated enough immune response, but the vaccine also had the potential to target UK's coronavirus mutant strain.
Composed of experts from varying medical disciplines, the SEC of the regulatory authority met on December 30th and January 1 and asked Bharat Biotech to expedite recruiting volunteers and furnish interim efficacy data. But when Bharat Biotech presented updated records, the committee granted permission for emergency use as part of clinical trials, especially as an additional option for vaccination in case of infection by the mutated strain. Bharat Biotech has stoutly defended its vaccine-making process. The drug maker is close to completing the final stage trials on 26,000 volunteers.
In pandemic situation with high mortality, available science and a lack of definitive treatments are considered by SEC for accelerated approval, as the Health Secretary has said. That is in our legal provision. In a pandemic situation, restricted use is considered based on safety and immunogenicity data, while Phase 3 is still ongoing. Immunogenicity data generated through Phase 2 clinical trial serves as a surrogate for efficacy.
Over to the rollout for 30 crore adults to be vaccinated in the first phase starting this month. With Milan Sharma, Bureau Report, India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.